How to generate and translate subtitles using Subtitle Edit in languages that are not supported by the Vosk speech recognition engine. Open a new Word document. Under the Home tab, go to Dictate. In Settings, go to Spoken Language and mark the language of your video, even if it appears under the preview languages. Play your video and place a microphone in front of a speaker. Make sure that the Word document is the active window. Word will think that you're dictating and will start typing the text.
Shut those down during the election campaign, but now he wants them to increase refining capacity.
Look, we need more refining capacity. This idea that they don't have oil to drill and to bring up is simply not true. This piece of the Republicans talking about Biden shut down fields, wrong.
It might be necessary to slow the speed of the video. You can do this, for example, in the YouTube settings, or use a free program called Audacity, with which you can strip audio from video and play it slower with hardly getting any voice distortion. Once you've finished dictating this way, do some editing, especially adding punctuation marks, and save your file as a plain text file. Open Subtitle Edit, and from here on do exactly what I showed you in my tutorial, how to easily and fast synchronize subtitles in your video. There's a link in the description under the video. Surely you will have to make corrections in the dictation, but this will speed up your work enormously. This works with Microsoft Word from Office 2019 onwards, and also with the online version of Word. Instead of Word, you can also use the online Google dictation service at dictation.io or any other speech-to-text application.